then and next day on Max.
Jimmy John's is using legit ingredients.
For a sandwich? Premium meat!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the California Department of Safety. If you are listening to this message, stay inside now. At 12:33 a.m., a riot was reported in the PlayStation headquarters in Los Angeles. The reason the riot started was because Sony had shut down Little Big Planet 3 servers. Because of this, Little Big Planet and PlayStation users rioted over to the headquarters, causing many damage to the headquarters. At this time, all residents in Los Angeles and other areas to stay inside. Please stay tuned for information.
Wait, what's so funny?
The high-quality ingredients.
That's a problem!
Jimmy John's, the sandwich of sandwiches.